Okay, hello people. Today I wanted to show you how I was able to install brushes for OpenToonz. Wait a minute because I have to check for you to be able to see what I'm doing on the screen. So I will resize window little bit just for you because I'm using 4K monitor. It's too noisy. Always someone in there, always they make noise. I cannot really publish video tutorials during the day because my dogs are barking and it is loud. Okay, people, because I will open up one of my projects to show you. So I will have to import. Sorry people, I cannot really publish video tutorials today because they always distract me from what I'm doing. Okay. Wait a minute people. Okay, what I have to do, I will have to open one. If you import projects from different partition, you should change project. And you should be really okay to work with current project. But you have to make sure in project management we have got proper path where project is located. And the thing is, because by default OpenToonz doesn't have the new version which I already installed doesn't have all of the brushes. When you go to raster level, I will show you what brushes I didn't have. I didn't have one of the libraries. Oh, I don't have this. I will show you how to install brush packs from MyPaint program. Because I have two library brushes like Guitar brushes. This is a library which belongs to MyPaint application. Oh, you go to C drive, OpenToonz stuff, library, where this was. MyPaint brushes, we will copy this. And a folder called the tone. I also installed it for MyPaint. Because those libraries are being used by MyPaint. I will show you what brushes I installed. When you open up application OpenToonz, you can use the latest version from 2024 current compilation. Okay, I will quickly show you what brushes I had to install. When you go to raster level, you will notice we have got a new library. You can see, and tone brushes. This is different library what I installed. You can see how much stuff I already installed. Wet spray 4. This is quite interesting. They are very, very good. I used in MyPaint program. We have got application MyPaint, but you have to download brush packs for MyPaint because both programs are using the same library brushes. For example, I will have to let me to check because I have to switch. For example, I will use this brush and I can use from this library. You can see how beautiful smudge is. Edit brush settings, copy to new, and you can edit this smudge. If you change opacity, because this is quite important, smudge language, radius. Or you can see how beautiful that brush is. You can do the same in OpenToonz, but you can still install library brushes. This is open source application, and this is also open source, but both programs are using the same library, and only if you set in drawing option format PNG raster level, very important people, very important. PNG format and raster level, because raster level will support MyPaint brushes. I have already installed additional library. You can do the same when you go to brush, import, get more brushes. You can download the new library brushes tone. This is what I'm using. Tone is great. That one I probably installed. You can check what you like. Oh, this is very good. My favorite library. I downloaded this. Oh, wait a minute. Cannot I download it in different way? Maybe here. Where's option for downloading? Or it will just close the window, get more brushes. Let's check this. I downloaded down brushes. But this is quite good. I like that library very much. I will have to check if I can save link content as. You can save link content as. Wait a minute, what's that? I downloaded it in the wrong way. I don't know how to download. Oh, yes. Wait a minute, because I struggle to download that folder. I don't see option where I can download files. I struggle. Oh yes, I can see that. Download zip. Brushes master. I can use this as well. Very important library because it has various different brushes. I showed to you. Oh, this is quite beautiful. Oh wow, I didn't see this. I hope you will like my video tutorial. Both programs are great. You can also paint in OpenToonz. You can export your character to JPG. Okay. I have to check how much time I have got. We have JPG on the top. Oh, even GIF. Oh, wonderful. Set to the highest. Well, the smoothing. I don't know what smoothing is to do with. Frame start frame 5 and frame 5, and you can render to that folder, to tablet folder. We have already rendered our animation to JPG. People wait for me because I have to double check where I imported. Wait a minute, where is this file. I thought I saved it. Hey, wait a minute. Where is this? Oh no. I always struggle to find it. Oh yes, I couldn't see this properly. File isn't really that big. But I don't like ACDC photo browser. You can see how beautiful it is. And file isn't really big. And I use a PNG format. And I hope you like my video tutorials, people. My video tutorial. Keep in mind that I'm working with raster level because you have TIFF and PNG. But PNG is better than TIFF format. Don't use Toonz raster level because this doesn't support MyPaint library brushes. I hope you like my video tutorial. Let's check if I can smudge colors. For example, I will use one of the brushes, debug. Let me to check something. Medium, select this. Auto, apply. We have now brush called debug. Also, make sure you tweak some settings because it is important. It's a little bit transparent because we need to change smudge. If you decrease this option, your color will be more intensive. Let's check one of the brushes here. Bristol Berlander. Oh, you can see how beautiful that stuff is. Oh, very beautiful. They can have nice blending color together. I hope you like my video tutorial. After adding brushes, you can override different raster drawing palette. After when you do that, when you have done this, you save project, save all. Make sure you use option save all because we have separate files in our catalog. It doesn't save it to one file. I published lots of video tutorials how to import, how to save projects, and I won't be repeating myself, people. And have a nice day, guys.